Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. A new protective case, DBrand tank case, was unveiled for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, even before the smartphone's unveiling. According to the latest news data, a protective case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra from DBrand was unveiled ahead of the smartphone's official launch and is now available for order. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, expected to be unveiled on February 25th, already has a new accessory. Canadian company DBrand has unveiled the tank case, a protective case designed for the upcoming flagship. The accessory combines enhanced protection with a unique design and support for the MagSafe magnetic system. The case is made of thick material designed to reduce the risk of damage from drops, impacts, and scratches. It has a tactical design and features 10 different textured zones, each of which, according to the manufacturer, provides a secure grip and enhances ease of use. This surface structure distinguishes this accessory from most other protective cases. The case's controls, including the volume and power buttons, can be customized in a variety of colors. This allows the user to customize the accessory's appearance without having to purchase a completely new case. Particular attention has been paid to the magnetic system. The company notes that the magnets are reinforced, ensuring a secure hold for MagSafe accessories. The manufacturer notes that the design is compatible with a variety of additional magnetically attached modules. The release of the case, before the official announcement of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, allows us to evaluate some of the design features of the upcoming model. Based on the dimensions and arrangement of the case elements, we can estimate the smartphone's dimensions and the main locations of the function buttons. The new product is now available in several color options. The accessory is available to order on the manufacturer's official website and is designed for users who want to immediately protect their new flagship from damage. So, while the smartphone itself hasn't been officially unveiled yet, the new case does reveal some details of its appearance and demonstrates how accessory makers are approaching protecting next-generation devices. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.